That's a proper tool. It's quite heavy actually. So it's been pointed out to me that this is actually dangerous. This is an electrical wire going to the gas area. So gas and power don't mix. So I'm going to find a new home for this. Pretty sure that hole is really difficult to get to. I might try disconnecting the VSR cord and try poking it up through the hole and see if I can actually reach it. Ooh. Now the black. It might not be as simple as I'd hoped. I think I need to cut off these ends to get it through that hole. And then do a little bit more wiring than planned. I might need a trip to the hardware store to get these plastic. But I should be able to get these wires out now. Thread that through. Now to try to find a new home. It's a bit damp there. I think I've found a design flaw. The water seems to come off the plastic covering the hitch straight into this wood. So this wood is starting to get damp. It's like it's missing a part. It should almost have a plastic part that just wraps the end to protect it from water coming out. So there seems to be no room for anything extra in there. I'm gonna have to drill a hole after all. Oh yeah, and this is my brand new drill. I've powered up the battery. And yeah, okay. Will the wire be able to get through that? Well, to the other side. It was a bit tight, so that's gone through. Yeah. Just need to fill in that hole as well. Well, the hole is definitely full. That's the best way to do this. I think it's best to just leave it like that. I got the best salesman at the hardware store, and I think I got everything within 5 minutes. Whoops. Was that me? Okay, got the wire off. And then fuses back in. So hopefully that's it. Hopefully I don't need to touch that again for a while. I'm going to try and finally replace this new water flap too. Since I'm going to be buying a brand new cover for the gas as well anyway. So hopefully they're nice and matchy. I've tried this before and got stuck. So I've heard you need to try and pry it off. If that doesn't help, I've actually bought some chemicals that will soften. Oh, it might be okay. I might be okay. So we'll give it a go. It's been on my to-do list for quite a while. This duct tape's just not doing it for me. last time I did it, there are 7 screws. Okay. Now I've firmly attached it. And take the lid off then. Come on. So that's done. Good, still works. And now, having a think about that hole I made, I might put on a temporary cover for it just to make sure no water gets into it. I might convert my 7 pin to 13 pin. Because I've now got a VSR cable, apparently I can then link up my fridge so that it can run while I'm driving, which would be handy because at the moment the fridge needs to be turned off when I'm moving from place to place. So yeah, just a temporary measure because this wire will probably need a shift. Maybe I might need it a bit longer. So I just noticed that the toe ball's very rusty again. I feel like I've only just done this. So I'm going to try my electric drill stabilizing leg thing. Well, that was quite fun. But like such a lazy option. Now the other side. My new favourite toy. But now I can take this plastic off and finally grease this properly, and I'm going to try and fix or seal that wood. I don't know how to get that in there. Got it! Yay! I've done this once before, accidentally. So now I've taken off the front plastic, I can actually access this damp wood area and have a proper look. I'll just add some duct tape for now, let it dry out, see if it keeps getting a bit worse, and go from there, I guess. Not much room. It's pretty wet there, and then some just to so it doesn't peel away. A temporary fix, very temporary. So another idea I've just had is to have some type of raise there, maybe just a line of glue or something, so that when it comes back it'll hit that and go sideways instead of keeping, you know, still going. And to my Patreons, Alan, Pauline, Dennis, Luther, David, Matthew and Laurie, and all my other patrons, thank you guys.